doing? Francis?
Okay, sweetie, I'm gonna take it. Let's go. Let's sit over here. Hold on. Hello?
Yeah, hi.
I was trying to take her
She's hung
video.
up on you. Hold on, I'm gonna hold her.
Okay. Hi! Hi!
I'm taking her video.
Ah.
It's so fun.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, it's so much fun. Oh my gosh, it's so much fun.
You see her little face? Hey, hi! Hey, pretty face. Oh, oh. You are getting so big. Hi. Hi. Where's your daddy? Where's Jeremy?
Jeremy, he went out to work in a coffee shop because he started his new contract today.
Oh, we did? Oh, okay.
Hello? Hey, I'm just talking to my parents on Skype. You coming home?
Oh.
Okay. I'll see you soon. Bye. It's Grandma!
Hi, little girl. You are the...
Yeah.
Huh?
So wiggly now.
Yeah.